What's up, guys? I was going to just take a little video. This is a small one, because some of this is going to rain. So, and this is going to be a small one. Well, one reason why I have one bike, the other bike blew up again. So we're going to order a head, bigger piston, and it's gonna go about the same speed with my buddy bike, the new one. So that'd be nice. I've been trying my best to not beat this too much because I have to ride this to town Friday or Wednesday. I don't know, but another thing I know, guys, is you're going to have a long video coming up soon, and it's going to be cool. I will show you guys stuff too. Yeah, so it'll be cool. So if I be able to make it to town. Get your ball now. It's a small ball now. They're not gonna feel for anything. You guys can feel it. You're not. I can feel water coming down. So it might be raining too. Don't do it, Lucia. Well, if you don't want your corn, I got that roof on. Are you ready? Oh. 25. Okay, I have to do 25. That's the max speed I can go on the boat. 25. Maybe 35. Look at that beautiful water. I will have to slow down anyway, so. Man, that house is just so beautiful. Nice house, man. Nice house. I have the water, dude. Can't be better. I mean, look at it. Nice light stuff. Oh, that's cool. Hell no, that damn cold. Someone's fishing all the way down there. You see this? Maybe you don't, but I see it. I see it fishing. Chickmunk! That's not chickmunk. What's that other thing called? I don't know. Don't die. Come, come, come. Come on. Come on, you can make it. Come on. Who is that guy? Who are you? You selling cocaine to kids? Huh? What are you doing to that? No, no, no. Hey. Come on, you can do it. What's his name, that dude? Come on. Oh, I had to. Hold on, guys. I had to turn them off. I think I was going to just stop him and look on the water a bit. Beautiful water. Beautiful. Right here, I jump my BMX bike right in there. See if I can find a picture. Or the video, I should say. Yeah, right here. But yeah, I did. I jumped it right there. Here's a small boat chair. So this is the boat chair up there. A boat back there. Fishing. But I will see you guys later. If you can't tell, the boats is back there. See him? He back there. Bike look fresh. Beautiful bike, I tell you now. 66cc. Not bad. Well, I hope you guys like this small video. If you do, put a nice thumb up in this bad boy. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.